Okay, continue. Part 3 and part C, yeah, part 3 for question 9. We decide to cut F so that we can move from 23 pairs to 22 pairs. So log in this round, F, the cost of cutting F is 30. The cumulative cost, that would be 525. And together, so it's 775. Still good. Then the next round, we need to know that what about 21 period? It looks like we're better off further cutting. Let's see what happens to 21 period. To move from 22 to 21 period, given that now we have 3 critical paths, because each path is a 22 period. So we have to cut all 3 critical paths. Now, ideally, yeah, we would cut either A or G, which is a merge or burst activity on all critical paths. But unfortunately, neither A nor G is available. So we have to cut each individual critical path. For the top critical path, A, B, E, G, we realize that E, so this is the 4th round, E is a choice because on the 30, E, we cut E, okay, so which is 21, and in the middle, only C is available because A, F, G are all gone. So we have cut C. Oh, by the way, since we cut E, and we decide to change from 8 to 7, still room. C in the middle is cut C. C from 10 to 9, and then mark it off because we have reached its crashing point for C. If we cut C, 1 period, that would be 21, and the bottom critical path. And we need to cut D, because it's the only available ones. D can be from 10 to 9, yeah, still have room for further cut. The impact of cut of D to this critical path would be 1 period, 21. So we still have 3 critical paths, all at 21 periods. Okay, let's see what is the impact on the total cost of getting 21 period. So for this run, from 22 to 21, we need to cut the top critical path, which is E. We need to cut the middle, which is C. We need to cut the bottom, which is D. So we need to cut 3 activities individually for each critical path. All right, the total of cutting all those 3 activities is 85 based on the sum of their slope. So 85 added to 520, that would be 610. Then further, we get 810 here. 610 plus 200, 810. See that this round of move resulting in a higher cost, right? This indicating, you know, we may not be worthwhile for making further crashes. So just to confirm, what happens to 20 period? Can we finish the project in 20 periods? Let's look at the critical path here. To move from 21 to 20 period, we need to cut all 3 critical paths. But I know that in the middle, A, C, F, G, this critical path has already reached its crashing point for each individual activity. A, C, F, G cannot be cut for any further. So that's why I'm putting here A, C, F, G, it's being maximized here. That's why there's no way to get to 20. Then we stop here. So then the best scenario. So what is the optimal cost period and how much would be? That would be here. Along this 22 periods. So the answer is 22 periods. The cost associated with 22 periods is $7.75. Further questions, it's easier. Question 2, I think, let's see. If you want to provide incentive to the project manager, let's say for 21 period, what happens? Yeah. Since the project manager prefers to finish the project in 22 periods, if he has to finish the project in 21 period, the total cost would be 810, right? So compared to his optimal, which is 775. So the difference, yeah, is it's $35, right? Difference is $35. So if you offer as incentive offer 50, that's more than the cost, the additional cost, the loss. So it would be preferred, except if you only offer $20, it cannot compensate the loss, 35. So we'll reject this offer. But if you offer exactly 35, since it's the same, and the project, there's no difference to the cost, and finishing 21 period in 20 period is preferred, because given the same cost, project managers should always aim for shorter project duration. So in this case, it's accepted. Thank you.